I'm getting better. So I've decided to do something. What I've decided to do is document something. Now, what am I documenting? Good question, viewers. So recently I have been, before quarantine started, I was working out pretty regularly at 24 Hour Fitness, and then once COVID hit, it got shut down. And so my solution to that was make your own. I made my own gym pretty much. I made a squat rack and a bench kind of place to do some bench press. I made a little pulley system to do some back and lower back. And then I made, not dumbbells, but I made cement weights. And so I got it's called a plant pot saucer. And it's just a little mold. And I just poured concrete, put a little PVC pipe in the middle of that. I bought a metal bar at Home Depot. And all that only cost, what's it cost? It cost around $100, I believe. And so it helped me save a bunch of money because at that time, weights and other equipment was going by really quickly and also for a lot of money. And I was not trying to spend a pretty penny on all this equipment. And, it's going to be temporary, so I don't want to, I don't have a really place to store it. So I have the little weight room kind of set up in our backyard. And so I was doing that for a good bit. But I don't know, for me, being at home, when I'm at home, I just want to lay down and sleep and not do anything. And so working out was definitely difficult because I didn't have any motivation. I was at home, so I wanted to, sit down or just chill. I didn't really want to do anything at home because when I went to the gym, I had to get up, drive, go to the gym, and I'm already there. And so, it was easier to just drive to the gym than rather work out at home. And I know other people can do it, but that's just me. So that brings us to today, which it is February 9th, and it is 6:18 p.m. And so yeah, I haven't worked out in a long time. But I worked out last week with my buddy Connor, and I just finished a workout today. And we're going kind of easy because we're just getting back into it. I don't know what my friend's goal is, but my goal is I definitely want to lose fat and gain muscle. For me, the number doesn't really matter, but I definitely want to lose fat. And this is for me, this is for my health, and it's just because it's something I've been insecure about. And it's hard to, just do other things. I feel like when you feel insecure about something, even though, your friends and most people really don't think about that about you. But so what I've decided to do is, I don't know how personal I'm going to get with this process on the camera, but I want to try to kind of vlog it and show my experience through it. And it's also a way to kind of keep me accountable. So it'll keep me accountable by trying to, it's like if I say I'm not going to do it anymore, then I've kind of let whoever's watching down, and I let myself down mainly. So I'm going to try to just document, what I want to document. So don't, try to pressure me and document everything, but I'll document what I feel comfortable with, saying to you guys in terms of, workouts, weight, whatever. So I'll document it and kind of just take you along the ride in terms of my workouts. And I also want to kind of show my eating, because that eating's a major part for me, especially because I've always been able to work out because I like working out in high school, but eating was definitely a big part of it. So I'm trying to work on smaller portions, more proteins, and I'm trying to do less carbs right now, less carbs and less sugars, but I'm really just focusing on less carbs. Because I feel like I eat carbs in, every meal, and that's definitely not good. And that's a good place to start. So I'm not trying to limit it completely, but I'm trying to do it in increments. That way I can work up to doing it completely. But I just want to say that I'm going to try to document that on here and on the vlog and on the channel. So hopefully you guys will support me through that. If you don't, oh well, go to some other channel that you like. But yeah, so I'm just going to, I don't know when. I have a couple clips of me and my buddy working out, some drone footage. So I'll put that in this video, and we'll just go from there. So that's it. Alright, peace.
Will I ever focus? I may not ever focus. Well, anyways, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. It's 9:50 in the morning. I am headed down to the local park where I live with my buddy Connor. We are gonna go for a little workout. I haven't worked out in ages, so it's good to get back. We're just gonna do a little HIIT circuit kind of training. He's getting weights, but they're not coming in for a while, or he doesn't have them set up yet at his house. So we're just gonna do, I think, some HIIT training, kind of just some cardio, different exercises like that. So yeah, so we will see you when we get down there. What's up, guys? Welcome back. So we made it to the park, and we made it, to our local base. It's like 2 baseball parks, and it converts into a soccer park when baseball's not going on. And the equipment we have today is ab roller, jump rope, bands, wallet, keys, phone, and ladders. And then what? You can't see anything? If I get your ID, maybe I can see it. But we're just gonna. How long has it been since you've worked out? Probably you've worked. Okay, 2 weeks. It's been a long time since I worked out, so this will be a good one. We're just gonna kind of take it light and easy. Yeah, I'll kind of bring you along in what we do. All right. I think I'm in focus. All right, well, we just finished the second round of the circuit. Again, it was push-ups with the band, and then not the band because I couldn't do them out the band. And then it was ladders, kind of just doing our own little circuit with the ladders. And then it was the ab rollouts, and then jump ropes. So we did 2 rounds of that, 2 minutes each on the stations with a 30-second rest interval in between. And now we're gonna go finish with some sprints from home plate. You can't see that. From home plate to the ladders, starting in a push-up position. We'll finish with that and then call it a day and go get some breakfast. All right, on to the sprints. Deep inside of me. Just finished the workout. It was good. It was about an hour. We did 2 sets of the circuit, finished off with 5 sprints, and now I get to go pick up something that will hopefully make the vlog better. So let's go pick it up. Ladies and gentlemen, the Mavic Mini. So this is the new toy I picked up from Best Buy. Empty box. Oh, what is this? Charger. Three batteries. Manual stuff. Salt. And the drone itself. Look at that, dude. That's awesome. Let's take it out for a test flight. So I am at our beach. And I am going to catch sunset on the DJI Mavic Mini. I gotta set everything up quickly. There's about T-minus 10 minutes until the sun passes the horizon and we can no longer see it. So hopefully we'll be able to catch a good bit of it. For California, it was actually freaking freezing out. Right now it is. Let's see. Let's check. There's no way. Well, it's 55, but it seems a lot colder. And there are 5 mile an hour winds, so that might also contribute to it, because winds make colder. So yeah, we're gonna head home. And that's pretty much it. Yeah. I don't know what video this is going to go in. But anyways, that's it. All right, bye-bye.